I love roasted vegetables, but one of my least favorite things about making roasted vegetables is cleaning and preparing the vegetables before they go in the oven. At the farm at Rockledge Gardens, we've started making these pre-made veggie roasting jars. They have about 1.5 pounds of pre-chopped, clean root vegetables, including carrots, radishes, and beets, and then fresh herbs from our garden here. These vegetables use herbs from the farm at Rockledge Gardens. We have oregano, rosemary, sage, and thyme. This is everything you need except for an oven, salt, pepper, and oil to make delicious roasted vegetables at home in under 45 minutes. What you want to do when you go home is open up this jar, put salt and pepper to taste. For me, I love a good salty roasted vegetable with a lot of fresh cracked pepper. Other people might not. So you want to put in as much as you would like, and then about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Recommend this Tuscan herb olive oil from Pasta Nostra, who is one of our vendors here at the farm at Rockledge Gardens. You're going to just go ahead and pour it in, and then you'll put the lid back on, and you will just shake it up. Make sure that it's evenly coated with the salt and pepper. The olive oil, the herbs should distribute throughout the jar themselves. After that, you're going to pour out everything in this jar onto a cooking pan. You'll put them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees and then roast to your taste. I would recommend 25 to 30 minutes. You might like a slightly crispier vegetable. I would go for around 20 minutes, or you might like a more thoroughly cooked vegetable. That'd be about 30 to 35 minutes. The farm at Rockledge Garden supplies organic, fresh, local produce from vendors all over the Central Florida region, including right here at Rockledge Gardens itself. We love the quality of the produce, and we know that you will too.